So hello and welcome to our small presentation. We present your sucking stick. Your sucking stick is a revolution in data handling. It is a USB stick. It can be any USB stick with a special program, the Sucking Stick app. And if you stick this USB stick into your Windows PC, you can start your Sucking Stick app, and in this app you can choose some tabs where the program offers you different types of files, for example pictures, videos, music, audio files, ebooks, office documents, of course, vector graphics or other. On the other tab you can specify an individual file type you want to search for. So let's look at an example. We want to search for pictures. On every tab you can choose your own formats if you want. If you don't want, all formats are default clicked, but if you only want to search for a special format you can click the choose format radio button and, for example, choose PSD, Photoshop files. The other option, you can search on all drives, or you can search on specified drives. This is a small laptop computer with a 128 gigabyte SSD and an SD card. So the SSD is the C drive. And the last option you can save all the files you found within one directory. This has the advantage that you don't have to save the same files more times than one. If the system finds files with the same name but with a different size, it renames the new files. So every file that is different will be saved. So let's look. You click search now, and then here a new window is opened. It shows you your search runs on drive C. It says that the search may take a few minutes depending on the size of the medium you are searching on. Maybe it's a very big fixed drive. It may take some minutes. So in this case the search is complete. The system found on our source drive C 44 files, 44 Photoshop files. The space requirement for the backup are nearly 620 megabytes, and the available memory on this stick are 56 gigabytes. So there's no problem. And we click Suck Now. A new dialog window is opened. Your backup is running. Here you can see the progress, the source file, here the number of remaining files, the available disk, and here you can see what file is currently searched, currently transferred. It was very fast, as you saw. So this transfer is complete. Let's look at the file structure. We look on our sucking stick, and you see here are 43 elements, 43 Photoshop files, That means that one Photoshop file occurred in two directories and only one version is saved. So now let's look what happens if maybe a week or two later on you will search for PSD files on drive C again. Maybe you're not sure whether you changed something or whether there are new Photoshop files on your drive, and just to make sure you search again. So this is the dialog. You shouldn't interrupt this search process, but you can work on other projects. So in this case the search is already finished. He already found the 44 Photoshop files, and if we click Suck Now, you can see that with an incredible speed the system finds all the files and finds that all these files are already saved on the sucking stick. So if you want to look for a different kind of file type, maybe we choose the TIFF files on drive C. So we search again. The search always takes some time. So here it is. The system found again 44 files, but these files are the TIFF files, only 3.86 megabyte big, no problem. Suck Now and you see how fast these files are transferred to the stick. And to be sure that everything was right, we look into the directory images, and you see not only the PSDs but also the TIFF files are saved. So that's what I wanted to show you. You can visit us on www.saugstick.de, and here again you can find some more information. The sucking stick. We would be proud if you would like to use our sucking stick app into your own products, so please contact us, and I think this could be a very fruitful combination of resources. Your sticks and our app. Thank you very much. Bye.